Public service announcement, people.
Yes.
If you get metal valve stem caps, they can seize up and not come off.
So it's just a metal valve cap, and it got seized onto the valve stem, and we're gonna try our best to cut that shit off with our Hart rotary tool with some drywall cutting edges. Think it seems legit. Seems like it's got some horsepower, and you know, worst case, what we can do? We're gonna rip the freaking valve stem off. Anything with a flat tire? Maybe.
Only have
maybe
one
not.
spare. We have 2 tires to do.
All right, ready to do this?
Yep.
Better now than ever. All right.
I'll also like to preface that these stems have, or the caps have only been on for 3 years.
You want to go slow because you don't want to F up your valve stem, you know?
Yeah.
And honestly, this is the only other way I can think about doing this.
Are you actually making progress, though?
Yeah, look at it.
Looks like you're tearing the paint off to me.
Oh, it's shrunk down in there, brother.
Alright, back off when we get the close-up.
You tell me.
Oh, you can definitely see it.
All right, it's getting it, right?
Yeah. That is the valve stem.
Okay, so we're going to have to go get a pair of pliers.
So we've grinded through the cap, as you can see here. We're going to try and pry the metal apart with pliers.
Yeah, or something.
Not much you can see here, but just know this sucks. Oh, something spun. I don't know if it was the stem or the cap. Oh, he broke the bee off. Snip, snip, snip.
I remember these being like...
So you tore it up right there.
Yeah.
I was trying to think maybe this wasn't the best idea, though.
What else you gonna do? Spend the money at Mavis, you know?
Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. Puff, puff, puff. You gonna puff yourself to death. Alright, let me see. Let me get something extravagant.
It's on. That little white light in your right eye, that means it's recording.
Squiggly line in my eye. I think we're gonna have to shave like a triangle out of this if this is gonna work. That's my only thought here. Is we like shave down this side now. Let me twist this. Get lined up more appropriately for my faja. We have your faja. My what? Faja, your dad. Oh, my father. We're gonna have to like cut another line like you're cutting a tree.
Yeah.
And that'll hopefully knock part of it out.
Or I can cut this way, or I can cut that way, but that way makes me nervous that I can't fucking see as much.
Cut the way you're more confident.
But it makes sense to go the other way. I'm gonna try these.
It says to score a groove in it and then try to pry it with a screwdriver.
Our grooves ain't scoring nothing, brother. Alright, no, it did work.
RJ's method.
Method to his madness. Alright.
Now you probably needle nose that.
I'm trying to get as much as I can off of here.
Doesn't look like you're getting more than that though.
Like that?
Oh my lord. Oh, you got a pretty nice groove into that.
Hey, it's the first time doing it, so don't tell me I butchered that thing, but I butchered that. Like RJ says, I left a hell of a groove, but
It screws on. I'm just feeling if I feel air.
yeah. So what groove? I don't see no groove. You see a groove?
I don't see nothing.
I ain't proud of it. We massacred the shit out of the valve stem, but it still holds air, and a plastic cap still fits on it, and you can't even tell.